Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use mid lane effectively. The mid lane is a dynamic and impactful role, often considered the heart of the map. A skilled mid laner can dictate the flow of the game, influencing both side lanes and major objectives. We'll cover everything from understanding your champion's unique playstyle to making smart decisions throughout all stages of the game. Get ready to elevate your gameplay and become a true mid-lane maestro. During the early game, your primary focus should be on securing a strong foundation. Prioritize last-hitting minions to accumulate gold and experience, which are vital for your power spikes. Look for safe opportunities to poke and harass your lane opponent, but always be mindful of their abilities and potential counterattacks. Maintaining good vision around your lane is also crucial to avoid unexpected ganks and keep track of the enemy jungler's movements. A solid early game sets you up for success. As the game progresses into the mid-game, your influence extends beyond your lane. This is your chance to roam and make plays across the map. After pushing your wave, look for opportunities to gank side lanes, helping your teammates secure kills or push towers. Coordinate closely with your jungler to contest and secure important objectives like dragons and the Rift Herald. Your ability to create pressure and assist other lanes will significantly impact your team's overall advantage. Be proactive and look for openings. In the late game, team fights become the most critical aspect of winning. Your positioning is paramount. Aim to deal maximum damage while staying safe from enemy threats and crowd control. Identify and prioritize key enemy carries or initiators, but always be aware of your own team's positioning and abilities. Working together to secure major objectives, such as Baron Nashor or Elder Dragon, is essential for closing out the game. A well-executed late game can turn the tide and lead your team to victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.